What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you're at. We just want to take you along today for a little bit of a journey. We're going to do a few things. First off, the FedEx guy just delivered a package to my house that is not mine, and it looks like it's someone's very important package. It says refrigerate upon arrival, and it was overnighted. I'll cover up the address over here and show you guys. Here's the package I'm talking about. Just came in my mail about 5 minutes ago, so I threw the address into my GPS and saw that it was just about a mile away from here. Similar address, they just delivered to the wrong place. So I'm gonna deliver that, and then we got a lot more packed into this video for today. Little surprise, that duplex from our first video is coming back, guys. Actually, my buddy Andy, that's the electrician that was in some of our videos, he is the one that's interested in the house. So we're gonna get up there, check it out. It's still midday here, so we're not gonna be looking at that for another couple hours. So I'm gonna go drop this off at these people's house, run by the bank, hit a few other errands up, and then it should be about that time to meet up with our buddy Andy and go look at that other duplex in KCK. So we made it over to the duplex here in KCK, and we started checking it out. We were able to see the other side of the duplex, check out the basement. The AC unit here, you can see it's pretty old. The lady was about 20 years old at least. The basement hatch here to get down the crawl space, or into the basement, there's a big old hole there where animals were getting down there into the basement. We saw animal poop and stuff down in the basement. You can see in the basement, that window there, very old. There's definitely some cracks and some foundation problems. The engineer reports recommended that we add steel I-beams to all the walls around. So, you know, the estimate would probably be about 10 grand or so to do that on this house. In this basement, I could do it myself for a lot less, but still it's a lot of work. So after checking it all out, we kind of decided that we probably weren't even going to offer on it. If anything, we would offer like 60 grand, and it was listed for like 112. So we pretty much told the listing agent after I left there that we weren't really interested in it at that price, and there's needed a lot more work than we thought. We also discovered that there was only one water meter for the duplex, so both units were using that, so that's not as good, because that means we have to have one water bill and then either bill the tenants after the fact or pay the water bill and charge a little bit extra for rent. Either way, it's more of a pain than if they just had their own water meter and paid their own bill based on their certain usage. So that's another downside to this property. The HVAC is very old, would need to be replaced pretty soon. And overall, the foundation wasn't terrible. There's one place upstairs where the floor is dipped down, and the rest of it's pretty good from, you know, as far as levelness. But definitely this foundation would need those I-beams put in there to support the entire foundation all the way around. But as far as leveling out the floors, you probably wouldn't do anything about that. Overall, we're probably not going to offer on this house. Like I said, I told the listing agent that we weren't really interested in it. 60,000 would kind of be where we would be, which was kind of a lot lower than what they have it listed for. So we'll just kind of wait on it, see if it's on the market in another month or two, and if it is, we'll come back to them and offer them 60 again and see what they say. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, or you can just tap it gently, either way. But hit it, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be posting a lot more videos. We're working on that house flip, $25,000 house flip. We'll be coming out with a water line installation video next week. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, we'll catch you next time.